Hey guys, we might have a fire drill today. Where's sister? Where's Caitlin at? I don't know where sister is. Where's sister at?
She's spinning or has a birthday party.
Oh, okay, so she doesn't have to worry about the fire drill going off. So I guess, guys, that's what, we might be able to keep it active a little bit longer. We're about to have a fire drill. We're going, guess what, I need to tell you something. We might need to keep it activate longer because my sister is not home. So that means I can make sure all the alarms are working properly. But they need to be off within 2 minutes. I don't really got a good feeling about this fire drill today because it may not even go off. See, there's my monitors. I really need a docking station for this little thing. But yeah, you've seen the light shut off before. I don't really have to really show you again, but oh well. I'm just gonna not put my hearing protection on. I'll just cover my ears when the alarm sound. And just cover my ears when the fire alarm goes off. So yeah, guess what? I don't have to be in a rush to shut the fire alarms off if it sets off. I don't have to be in a rush. That means I could take you everywhere to make sure all the alarms are working. I don't really want to, and I won't be able to post it until we have internet. I'm not going to be able to use my hotspot. I'm glad we're going to have a fire. I'm glad we might have a fire drill today. I'm super glad we might have a fire drill today, guys. I don't get your hopes up because it doesn't always go off. I should hurry. I'm actually going to go get my... Oh, wait, no. There's no Wi-Fi. Never mind. I'll just tell them we had a fire drill if it goes off and they can see it on my YouTube channel. I don't need to tell them we're going to be having a fire drill because there's no Wi-Fi. And no, I'm not doing that Wi-Fi, no Wi-Fi challenge. There's no Wi-Fi actually for reals. I got nothing else going on and sister's not here. Oh shoot, it's gonna scare the dog. We could still do our annual test real quick. Like I could possibly put the fan. I'm already smelling it. We could just put the fan upstairs and run it, and I could run to do our test really, really fast. We already know they all work. I just want to make sure everything is working. So we're going to have our fire drill real quick, and then we'll just do a quick test. Just go walk around and make sure all... I actually want to see where I can hear the alarm. I remember I could hear it in the bathtub. Maybe. I'll run the bath water real quick to see if you can hear the fire alarms. Well, that's going to take extra, but I know we're going to need to hurry up. I know we kind of have to make it quick. Like, since sister's not home, we can keep it going off a little bit longer. I want to see if I can hear it in the guest room. I want to see if I can hear the fire alarms going off in the guest in my dad's office where he sleeps and all that. See if it's safe enough. And I want to hear the fire alarms. See how loud it is in the bathroom. And all that. So yeah, so when the fire alarms go off, that's what we're going to do real quick. I'm not going to take too long. And it's just a little set-off test. With Finch's kids can't set it off. I don't really know. I have the light off so you can see the lights go out on it like you always like to. I won't be able to put my hearing protections on time. If I hear the alarm, I'll just cover my ears till it beeps and I'll hurry up. I won't use my hearing protections, but the alarms are pretty loud. I might. I think they should set off in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and get them put on anyway. Sorry. I just want to get them put on before the alarm sound. Sorry. Now I'll have one ear open so I can hear the beeper. Oh! Just in time! I was right. Alright, guys. I just put them on and then they started going on. Now I want to make it quick to see how far you... I want to test. I can hear them in that room, but may not be loud enough to wake up. Now the bathroom real quick, sorry. And then I gotta hurry up and shut it off. Okay, I can hear it. You can hear it with the bath water running. Alright. We gotta go shut it off now. I knew we were gonna have one. I'm not freaking out that much because I was aware. Ow! Okay. I'm coming! Open the door for me. I got it. Dang it. Now I'm trapped. Oh, there you go. Set off too late then. Oh well, leave it on for a little bit. I'm trying to make sure everything still works. I shut the door, the dog's scared. Sorry, Charlotte, just deal with it. That one works. Go ahead and put the fan in, yeah, I don't care. And just give it a minute. Okay, that works. My room works. Too late. Boom. That's not a way to shut it off. It might go off again.
One, it's the skillet that you use that has the hole in the bottom. Two, you have the burner on 6, which is too hot.
Charlotte, cover your ears. I'm gonna have to reset it. Alright, Dad, I'm gonna try to film me trying to reset it. So technically what you gotta do is you gotta go up here and hold the button until it beeps. And that's it, you don't make it go off again.
And you can see all the smoke.
I see it.
But I thought I was finished.
I was right. Thanks for telling me.
Cheese quesadilla will set it off, huh?
Sometimes, yeah, it depends. You can lay one out for me, maybe. You can lay.
I'll cut one now.
Alright. You can put ham on my plate too. And the family's supposed to be on the highest note. If she's there, she's probably gonna go down to the basement in a minute. I probably should shut that door. Oh, okay. Hold on. We're going back to the basement because I need to turn the light on. I don't want the dog going down there. She's spooked now because the alarm got set off. I knew we were gonna have one, but I knew we were gonna have a fire drill today. So there you have it. We had a false alarm, kind of. I should have been faster. I didn't know Mom had a headache. She should have gone outside, too. She's walking on you because she's scared. I'm here. Did you go to your fridge for a little bit? What did you put in that like thing? I think I like quesadilla sometimes. Just depends on my mood. Keep the fan on for a little while. Probably should open that one. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to taste it and see how it tastes.
Tell your mommy didn't know about Miss Leslie coming to your job.
I'm not telling her that.
Well, I've already told her.
Why are the people coming to fix the Wi-Fi?
Reported it.
The reason why it took forever because I wanted to make sure I could hear an deciment and I had to do a walk around.
Can you quit recording? You didn't follow directions. I don't care about that.
Alright guys, you can have it.
You did not follow my directions.
Alright guys, you just stop.